messing around with this little movement in the key of G. So I'm taking this G cowboy chord where I'm playing with my third finger on the third fret of the low E string, that type of G. Second finger on the second fret of the A, so it's a typical G string. And then I'm going to pick up the third fret on the B string with my pinky. I'm not going to worry about the high E for now, okay? So we're just really addressing the E string, A string, D string, G string, and the B string. And I'll tell you why in a second, but this particular voicing, I was just noticing it lends itself to a little walk up. So you can walk it up like this. And then to a D. So it sounds like this. What's going on? I'm playing in slow motion. I'll play it even slower. And up to speed, it sounds like this. What's cool about that, I think, is there's lots of ways you could use that in a song form or not, but I'm really pinching the low E string and then the G and the B. So that's the voicing. I'm doing it with my fingers. You can do it with a pick as well, but strum it. Then I'm hitting the low A string, open, and then I'm hitting the first fret of the A string and then landing on the second fret. So. Like an old band song or something. And then I'm going to a C chord, but I can still keep that pinky on that note and just form a C here. So the 3 on the A string and the 2 on the D. And then a straight up D chord by just going second fret on the G string with the second finger. And then hit an A note. So I'll do it really slow and then I'll do it up to speed. And you'll see, I'll show you where it could actually apply to a song. So. Then the C, and the D, and then the open A string, back to that low G note. So the lower part sounds like this. And then C chord, D chord, and an A note, open A. So, like, I do this sometimes if I show this to somebody, if you want to reverse the order of it, just go to the chords only, not worrying about the walk up. It would sound like. And if you want, you could go back to the G and you'd have Girl from the North Country saying, traveling to the North Country Fair, and a million other songs too. So that can substitute for a B minor chord, that little pinch. If you add enough sharp to it, it becomes a little sadder. So the reason I show you this, though, I think, is that the walk up is effective. Kind of has a little movement. So there it is. It's a fun little passage in the key of G, utilizing that, what I call the cowboy chord. A full cowboy chord to sound like this, or like this. You know, so you got your third fret on the B string, and then you pick up that high G on your E string 3. That's a certain sound, as opposed to this, which is just a kind of a folk G chord. This one gets a little more Tom Petty on it. I've done a lot of lessons where I show you all the different places you can go with that move. Just by utilizing these two fingers and moving them higher one string, well, from here to here. So this lesson is sort of a little bit of an extension of, that whole free falling type of sound. as I like to do, I'm gonna play you out, and I'm gonna do a couple of different things with this. And if you like what you're hearing, go to jimmydillon.com. I got a whole bunch of cool lessons there. Some of them are free, some of them are courses. But hit me up. I'd love to hear from you. So here we go. Let's see what happens here. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you down the road.